Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are in my bathroom today because I wanted to show you guys how I do my hair from start to finish. So I figured the best place to do it would be in the bathroom. So I just woke up about an hour ago and I just took a shower. You guys wanted to physically see me do it. But first, make sure if you are not already that you are subscribed to my channel. Do it right now. I'll wait. Make sure that you give a good old thumbs up. Thank you. I'm gonna be responding to the comments this video. Also, if you have curly hair and have any recommendations, I would love to see your recommendations. I keep it very simple with my hair. Y'all think that I be doing the most, but I really don't. I kind of keep it very simple. Here we go. Usually I do not wash my hair. If I wash my hair, I have been washing my hair the past couple months with this bonding. This is Bonding Plex Shampoo, Salon Technology Restoring. I can use literally any shampoo, but I've been using this one. A lot of people are gonna give me backlash because I think it has alcohol in it. I literally just shampoo my hair to get everything out. I don't really pay attention to brands, so if you guys know a better brand, feel free to, let me know. So after I use that, I use the Argan Oil Moroccan conditioner. So I use this conditioner. This conditioner smells so good. Y'all are also gonna hate me because it has alcohol in it. It is sulfate free, but it does have alcohol in it. And I know a lot of people like to avoid alcohol because it dries your hair out. I agree, but I just personally am big on the way my products smell. If you have curly hair, you know as soon as we walk past somebody, what is the first thing they smell? Our hair product. So I just like to make sure that my hair is smelling fresh and nice, and it leaves impact on everybody I walk past life. One of my favorites. This is the olive oil replenishing conditioner. Now, the reason I use this is when my hair gets really dry. So if I notice that I'm using my product and it's just like not working the same, I will just give myself a conditioner like this and I will leave this in for about an hour. I think it says leave in for 15 minutes, but I'll literally put my hair in a bun, get my hair. I usually like to use silk scrunchies, so I'll put my hair in a bun like this. After I put the product in, I will get a plastic bag like this, and I will go like this with the product in, and I will just leave it in for about an hour, sometimes more if I forget about it. Now, if I am not shampooing my hair and I'm just co-washing my hair, which is what I do most of the time, I only actually shampoo my hair like every week and a half to 2 weeks, depending what my hair goes through. Because if I'm like working out a lot and sweating a lot, I may shampoo my hair more than other times. So if I'm just co-washing my hair, which I do about every other day, I will literally just run my conditioner through it. I don't use a brush. I rarely use a comb. I just get my nails and I brush through it like this. I usually get a really good result by doing that. I keep most of my natural moistures by doing that, so that's good. You wanna make sure your hair is moisturized, especially if you have color treated hair. So that's just my biggest thing, is making sure my hair locks in some moisture. It makes the curls look nicer, of course. So that's been my main goal with that. So if I plan on putting a leave-in, sometimes I don't remember. There's none of this stuff. No animal testing, which is amazing. I love stuff that's not animal tested. And a lot of you guys comment on my page and say this is tested on animals, blah blah blah. Guys, I don't know what I don't know, so if you ever want to give me information on a product I'm using that you think that I might not agree with, I will always take that information. I just ask that you do it in a polite manner. There's no need to bash anybody for them not having the information to something. I'm always down to learn, I'm always down to listen, but there's a way to do it and a way to talk to people. So just always keep that in mind when you're talking to me and anybody. You catch more flies with honey than with vinegar. Did you know that this, I don't know if you're even gonna be able to see it. This little thing that says 18M, it means that this product is good from 18 months from when it's opened. How crazy is that? It's on almost everything, so you'll see it like down there. That I actually read that somewhere, and I thought that was really cool. I want to say it was like World Star. Okay, if my hair is really going through it, or if I travel, or if I go in salt water, I have to give my hair a mask. I do this about twice a month, and my hair always feels so nice after it. I've been using this Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask with a Q, honey. This mask is so good. I've actually talked about it before on my channel. It's a very thick consistency. I feel like the products with a thicker consistency always gives me a better result. I use a good old palm full of it and I put it all throughout my hair and I'll leave it in for about 10 minutes and then I'll wash it out, and it makes your hair feel so nice, so conditioned. It doesn't like stick to your hair, so your hair won't feel heavy or anything, even though the product's super heavy. It washes out really nice. It has that like natural smell to it, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but my curl creams always overpower that. So, I mean, a lot of people like the natural smells. I'm for it, but I just like love a nice, fresh, fruity type scent, which is usually the products that aren't that good for you, but that's just me being honest. It was recommended to me by a friend at the time, and she was on point when she recommended that because I felt my hair had such a different result once I was putting masks on my hair, because I was like, I don't need masks, like, but my hair used to legit not curl. I'm gonna show you some photos of how my hair was. My hair did not curl at all. The blonde completely ruined my hair. I didn't think there was any coming back, but your girl came back, and I'm so grateful, and that's why I take my hair care a little more serious now, because I realized that it is in your control. So I just bought this one. This is Moroccan Oil Blow Dry Concentrate. Now, if you have curly hair, you know sometimes when you put your product in, it takes forever to dry. So if I have to be completely ready for something, even though I prefer to let my hair air dry, sometimes that requires me waking up excessively early, so it just doesn't make sense. So it's easier for me to blow dry it and diffuse it, which takes about an hour, which isn't a quick process, but it's quicker than letting it air dry, because letting it air dry takes about 4 to 5 hours. This is just a concentrate just to protect from heat. I don't really use the highest heat setting, but I always just like to protect my hair. I have to be careful of concentrates like this because they make my curls come out stringy, and I don't like stringy curls. I like the thick, bouncy, full, moisturized curls. So the stringy curls, it is not me. Some people like that, that's just not my preference, so I try to avoid that. Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. It has been the most consistent thing in my life in the past 5 years. I don't even think I have a friend that no, I'm just kidding, I do. There's no animal testing. It is recyclable. Make sure you recycle all of your plastic containers. They can be recycled. I get more compliments on the smell of my curl cream than I do on my perfume. And it's literally insane. The product does not dry out my hair. I can use too less or too much and my hair will still come out decent. There's no like formula of I have to put X amount in for my hair to be perfect. Like, it's honestly just a very consistent product. If you have similar curls to mine, I suggest using Miss Jessie's brand. All right, so I just took a shower, but since I've been talking to you guys, my hair has kind of dried. So right now I am going to dampen my hair just to get it back to the way I like it when I start to do my product. I just feel like I get the best results when I do this. And then you get used to it. So if you ever go on like vacation and you forget a comb, you're so used to doing it like this that you don't have expectations or need anything. All right, so my hair is back to its soaking wet status. Today what I'm gonna do is use my Strengthen, Restore, and Leave-In Conditioner. This much. I don't like to use too much leave-in, but I like to mostly put the leave-in at the ends because the ends are what is fragile because of my blonde. All right, so I put that leave-in in and I am here. Girls. So we're gonna start with about that much. That's how much I got. I'm gonna go like this just to get it evenly first. For the first round, I do a few rounds of these just to make sure it's enough product. Now I'm gonna get some more. down soon because this is gonna come off. Y'all are gonna be like, that's enough, but I need a little bit more. So, boom. This will probably be enough. And this is personally how I like to do it. This is personally how I get my best results. I'm not saying you have to use as much product as I do. I probably don't need to use that much, but personally, this is just what I like to do. And this is where I see the best results. So once I've combed everything through, you start to get this like kind of texture, and that's what I like. I like when it starts to do this because then you can kind of shape it a bit and it's not stringy. So once it starts to get like that, I scrunch. It kind of scrunches the product in and starts to kind of form the curls because it takes so long for them to dry. So sometimes you have to help them a little bit. So I just keep scrunching the product in just to make sure it's super evenly distributed. I just scrunched my ear and it hurt like. So when I diffuse my hair, I do not like to do it right away. I like to wait about 30 minutes and then I start because I like it to dry like naturally just for a little bit. Sometimes we're in a rush, but today I'm just gonna let it dry naturally for about 30 minutes and then I will be back. All right, so I'm back and as you can see, I've let my hair dry a little bit. I went and did my makeup. So my hair is drying. So now I'm at a decent point where I can start to diffuse it because some of the curls have formed and I can just, you know, diffuse it a bit and it won't mess up the natural curl pattern of things. So I recently just bought this diffuser, this one. So I'm gonna show you how I go through and diffuse it. This takes a while, so I'm going to time lapse it so you guys can get an idea. So here we go. All right, so I'm taking a break from diffusing my hair because I'm gonna do something that I don't normally do because since my hair is getting longer, it's been hard to retain as much volume as I like. Like right now it looks good, but it might drop a little bit just because my curls are getting longer. So I'm gonna use this Deva curl. It's frizz-free volumizing foam, texture and volume. I'm trying this out with you guys, but I have done this before with you know, some foam and mousse and it's worked. So I'm just gonna get it like this. It smells so good actually, wow. Deva curl products smell really good. All right, so I scrunched that in there. Woo! So now I'm going to continue diffusing it because I'm almost dry. Alright, so I just finished diffusing my hair after the mousse, and this is what I got. So as you can see, it's actually not 100% dry, but I'm gonna let the rest of it dry naturally. Y'all are probably like, yes it is dry, but it's really not. Like, it's just like in here where it's not completely dry, even though I've been doing that for like 30 minutes, it's still not dry, and that's just how curly hair is. It dries when it wants to. So I don't really have a natural calic or a way that my hair likes to fall. So it kind of, wherever it comes out that day is kind of what I have to work with. But this is, you know, after I diffuse my hair with my product and everything, this is what you get. I love a big full look. I like when you see me from behind and you know exactly who I am because my hair is nice and bouncy. It's not crunchy, it's not hard. It's flippable and it doesn't fall. So yeah, that's kind of what I like to do with my hair to guarantee a nice curly look. I walked you through the entire process. Y'all wanted this routine and y'all got it. You do not have to get a $200 diffuser to get these results. I prefer using a regular blow dryer on low heat and going like this. I just bought this, so I'm like, might as well use it. You don't need that though. Don't listen to everybody that tells you that you need those expensive products. Yes, they make life easier, but if you only have a blow dryer at home, you can still achieve this look by just lightly blow drying it and just scrunching as you go. What I do like about this tool is that you can kind of scrunch with it without using just your hands the whole time. So that's why this is cool, but you don't necessarily need it. Work with what you got. Is it a yay or a nay? Give me a thumbs up, because you know that they came out bomb. This is like kind of my signature, so I'm excited that I got to share with you guys physically the routine, and I hope it helps out a lot of people. Again, if you guys have any recommendations of products you want me to try, let me know. If y'all try these products out, make sure you check back in and let me know how you like them, because again, everybody's hair is different, but I swear by my products. So let your girl know. But make sure, if you are not already, that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you leave me a comment and a thumbs up and follow me on all social media platforms. And yeah, that concludes today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.